This past summer, I had an incident where during the hot 100-degree weather that we were having, my AC broke. It was pretty dire circumstances in terms of getting it fixed, just because of how hot it was. And I do have family and a young puppy that I was worried about as well. So I wanted to make sure everyone was comfortable. They were able to schedule an emergency appointment the next day, the next morning actually, which was very helpful for me. And they were able to identify the problem really quickly. They explained to me in, I guess, layman's terms what the problem was. They showed me what the issues were. They took pictures as they were doing the work. And all of that happened. And really, if you calculate from the time that I called to the time that they came and fixed the issue, was less than 24 hours overnight, which was fantastic. So with that, I would honestly recommend Abacus Plumbing for any type of HVAC, AC work, plumbing. They're really reliable and they were able to get the job done.
Abacus, you can count on us.